In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export a specific area to PDF from AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture just the portion of your drawing you need, at the right scale and neatly centered on the page. Start by opening the plot dialog. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you prefer typing, you can enter plot in the command line and hit enter. This brings up the main plotting controls where you'll define how your PDF is created. Next, choose the output device. From the printer or plotter dropdown, select DWG to PDF.PC3. This is AutoCAD's built-in virtual printer designed for creating PDFs, so you don't need any external software to make this work. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll through the list. It's included with standard installations. Now tell AutoCAD exactly what part of the drawing you want. In the Plot Area section, look for the What to Plot dropdown and change it to Window. This option lets you draw a selection rectangle, so only that region is exported. Click the Window button just to the right. AutoCAD will temporarily take you back to your workspace. Click once to start your rectangle. Then click again to finish it, making sure you include everything you want to show. It helps to zoom so you can frame the selection cleanly. Give yourself a little margin if you plan to center the plot. With the window defined, you are back in the plot dialog. Choose an appropriate paper size and orientation so your selection fits well. Set the scale next. If you need a precise scale, pick a standard one from the list or enter a custom value. If scale accuracy isn't critical and you just need it to fit, you can adjust the scale until the preview looks right. To keep the drawing balanced on the page, check Center the Plot. This avoids awkward cropping near the edges. Before you finalize, click Preview. This is your chance to confirm that the correct area is included. The scale reads as intended, line weights and hatches display well, and nothing is clipped. If something looks off, press Escape to return to the dialog and tweak the paper size, orientation, scale, or window selection as needed. When everything looks good, click OK. You'll be prompted to choose a file name and location, and AutoCAD will generate your PDF using those settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.